Hey everyone, welcome to English Nuts. In today's video, you'll learn how to talk to a doctor in English through simple, real-life conversations. After watching and with some practice, you'll feel confident during your next doctor's visit. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical English lessons.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I have an appointment to see the doctor.
Great. Can I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Adam.
Thank you. Do you have your ID and insurance card with you?
Yes, here they are.
Thank you. Have you been to this clinic before?
No, this is my first time.
Okay. I'll need you to fill out these forms. They ask about your medical history, allergies, and any medications you're taking.
All right, I'll fill them out.
Thank you. Please take a seat, and the nurse will call you shortly.
Thank you.
Is Adam here?
Yes, that's me.
Hi, I'm Jessie and I'll take you to the examination room. Please follow me.
Okay.
Before the doctor sees you, I need to check a few things. Can I take your weight and height first?
Sure.
Great. Now I'll check your blood pressure. Please roll up your sleeve.
Sure.
Your blood pressure low. Next, I'll check your temperature.
That's fine.
Your temperature is normal. Now, can you tell me why you're here to see the doctor today?
I've been having really bad headaches.
Thank you. Do you have any allergies to medications?
Yes, I'm allergic to penicillin.
Are you currently taking any medications?
Yes, I'm currently taking ibuprofen and sumatriptan.
Okay, the doctor will be in shortly. If you need anything while you wait, let me know.
Thank you.
Hello, Adam. I'm Dr. Joseph Lister. How are you feeling today?
Hi, doctor. I've been having really bad headaches.
I see. Can you describe the headaches for me? When do they usually start, and how severe is the pain?
The pain is severe. When it starts, I can't open my eyes properly because it hurts so much. It's really frightening.
That sounds intense. How long have you been experiencing these headaches?
It started about 3 months ago and keeps coming back. The pain lasts for hours.
Sorry to hear that. Are you taking any medication for the headaches?
Yes, I'm currently taking ibuprofen and sumatriptan, but they don't always help.
Thanks for sharing that. Have you noticed any triggers like stress, bright lights, or certain foods?
Yes, bright lights sometimes make it worse, and I've been feeling a lot of stress recently.
That's helpful to know. Do you have any allergies to medications?
Yes, I'm allergic to penicillin.
Got it. I'll make a note of that. I'd like to run a few tests to get a better understanding of what might be causing your headaches. In the meantime, I may adjust your medication or try something different to help with the pain.
That sounds good. I just want the pain to stop.
I completely understand. We'll do our best to figure this out. For now, continue taking your medication as directed, and I'll see if we can add something stronger to help with the severe pain.
Thank you, doctor.
Hello, Mr. Adam. I'm Jake. I'll help you with your billing and insurance today. How was your appointment?
Hi, it went well, thank you.
Great. I see you have insurance. Can I get your insurance card to verify your information?
Yes, here's my insurance card.
Thank you. I'll check your coverage. It looks like your insurance covers most of the visit, but there's a copay of $20 for today's appointment.
What does copay mean?
A copay is a small fee that you're responsible for paying at the time of the visit. It's usually a set amount, like $20 or $30, depending on your insurance.
Oh, I see. So, I need to pay that now?
Yes, you can pay it now. We accept cash, credit, or debit cards.
I'll pay with my debit card. Okay, thank you for explaining that.
Thank you. Your payment is processed. You'll receive a bill in the mail if there are any additional charges after your insurance processes everything.
Okay, thank you for explaining that.
You're welcome. If you have any questions about the bill later, feel free to give us a call. Here's our contact information.
Thank you. I'll do that.
Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more English tips from English Nuts. See you in the next video.